Yo, what's up everybody? Gabe with Gabe's Addictions, of course. We're here with our first mod video to the new 2018 Mustang. So, if you haven't checked out the previous uploads I just did, go check them out. If you haven't subscribed yet, and this is your first time, I appreciate you guys coming to check out my channel and my videos. Please go subscribe, hit that bell notification, and then that way you could get all the newest updates on all my videos. So the first mod is going to be to tint these side markers here on both sides. We're going to just tint them so they're a little bit darker, and it's just a DIY, do-it-yourself type of mod. I have some leftover tint from another vehicle, so I'm going to go ahead and start that. So let's get into it. Okay, so this is the vinyl that I have. It was for a light tint kit, so it can be used on these lights and stuff. So the first thing we're going to do is cut the size that we need, and then heat it up. Make sure it's nice and tucked. And then use a nice razor sharp either blade or X-Acto knife or something like that, which what we have is this kit right here, which comes with a bunch of different style blades. So we're going to go ahead and cut the piece that we need, the size, the length, and get it put on the car, heat it up, shrink it down a little bit, and then cut all around. So let's get to it. Alright, so we got our piece cut. We're just going to lay it over. I just wiped this down really quick. There wasn't too much dirt on there, so it wasn't too bad. Lay it over your spot. There's some small bubbles, so you want to make sure, if you find any, just to pick it up, lay it back down. Alright, so now that we got this laid over, we're going to go ahead and heat it up and try to shape it a little bit more. Get it stuck in between the cracks here. Then you want to use whatever you're going to use to cut, and make sure you want to make sure you don't cut exactly on the line. You want to make sure you cut a little extra, that way you could tuck it inside once you're done. You don't want to cut too short, because then you're going to mess up and you're going to have some red showing or something like that. So you want to make sure you cut a little bit more. That way you can tuck it in there and get it behind the actual red lens. So we're going to do that now. Alright everybody, so we went ahead, we got it cut, and we started to peel this off. Get that out of there. Take your heat gun, heat it up just a little bit more. Make sure it sticks to that reflector. And there you go. Use your, if you have one of these, this is like a razor blade, but it's made out of plastic. It's good for stuff like this. That way you don't use a real razor or squeegee or anything you got. This is real thin, so it fits right in between the crack here, and we could just push the excess vinyl behind the lens here. Sorry for my dog barking in the back. Every time he hears my voice or something like that, he thinks somebody's in the garage. So there you go, and you have your side marker here. It looks pretty good. Now you're going to repeat this process on the opposite side. And we're going to do that now, and I'll show you guys what they look like when they're both done. About to turn it on. To turn it on. first mod completed for the 2018 Mustang. Thanks for watching. If this helped you at all, please like and comment on this video. I appreciate all your guys' support. And remember, smash that like button and smash that bell notification. Peace out to the next video.